To connect your store to CatalogPilot, log in to your Lightspeed administration panel. From the left menu, navigate down to Settings, then select Developers. Click New API Key and enter CatalogPilot as the title so you can easily identify it later. Then click Save. Next, set the permissions as follows. Products, read. Content, read. Settings, read. No other permissions are required. CatalogPilot operates in a secure, read-only mode. It never writes back to your database and does not modify customer, order, or transactional data. Click to enable the new API. Click Save. Your new API key will now appear at the bottom of the page. Confirm that the creation date matches today's date. Then copy the API credentials. Paste those details into the CatalogPilot setup form to complete the connection. If you need assistance at any point, our support team is ready to help.